Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. We are going to be doing some cute floral glass tip nails today, y'all. First, we have to remove and soak off these inside out 2 nails because they have to go, and we are doing a glass tip, so we need a fresh set. Y'all, Melody Susie sent me over their new collection of floral weed gel polish, and they are so cute. They're very opaque. It even has a floral smell to it, y'all, and it's plant-based. So I wanted to incorporate the dried flowers in my French tips and gold flakes because their packaging for this is so cute, y'all. It even includes dried flowers, so I definitely wanted to do like a dried flower. So I went ahead and soaked off the nails, y'all. Soaking off nails is so satisfying to me, just scraping it off and seeing it just come off so smooth. I love that. And this is how your nails should look when you do a soak off. It should be flaky, it should be falling off, not gooey, sticky. If it's gooey and sticky, it's MMA. I went ahead and applied my tips, made sure that they are sidewall to sidewall, and I blended them in with my 180 grit manual bit, and I got them all smooth and made it one flat surface. That is very important. Prep is very important when you're doing your nails. Take it from me, y'all. I had nails falling off in like 1 or 2 days, y'all. I made sure I got my prep down. I took a class and everything. So definitely make sure that your prep is good, y'all. I dehydrated my nail bed, and then I went in with Young Nail Protein Bond, and I did 2 layers. The first layer is over the whole nail, and then the second layer I focused it more on the cuticles to make sure this nail stays on. Y'all, when I applied the acrylic, I only applied the pink acrylic to the bottom of the nail and sculpted it out like a pink and white. If you know what a pink and white is a French tip, but you're doing pink at the bottom and you're applying white acrylic at the top. But instead of the white acrylic, I put in the dried flower with some mock art rhinestone glue, and I dried it with the UV lamp with some plastic over it so it will be completely flat. And then I applied clear acrylic, and then I applied my cuticle oil and buffed it out after I filed it. And then I went in and used the polish from Melody Susie, and I drew out the outline of a French tip, y'all, and it came out so cute. It was so crisp. I really don't know what I'm gonna do for my next design, but I'm really in love with these nails, y'all, and I'm really not gonna want to let them go. But I have to, because y'all know I have to keep the content going. But yeah, y'all, I'm just gonna let y'all watch the rest of the video, and thank you guys so much for watching, and make sure y'all like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and keep coming back because your girl posts every day at 6 p.m. so make sure y'all set your notifications so y'all can never miss a video. Bye.